Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. And to you all my returning subscribers, you already know I love you all so much and thank you all for the support. So today I am going to be sharing with you all how I make this juicy delicious stuffed chicken served with some quinoa and some mixed green salad. Guys, this chicken is so yummy, and the one thing I really love about it is that it is pretty versatile. You can use whatever vegetables to stuff your chicken with. Why not stick around and I'll share the recipe with you all in a moment. So for our stuffed chicken breast, here's everything we will need. We have a star, of course, a chicken breast. And when you buy your chicken breast, make sure you look for the ones that are thick. That way you're able to stuff it properly, because the thin ones do not work at all. They're going to be messy for you. I have some cheese slices here. I'm going to be using provolone cheese. You can use any cheese that you prefer. I just prefer this one because it is milder. I have some mushrooms. I have some bell peppers right here, some baby spinach and kale, baby kale and baby spinach combined, some spices for seasoning, some fresh garlic, and of course our salt and black pepper. Let's put this together. So guys, to start, I'm just going to butterfly our chicken breast. If you overcut it, then your stuffing is gonna be really messy, so you want to make sure. I'll just show you one of this. You just go in like this, just like this, so the stuffing can go in there. I have the rest of the chicken breast on there, so I'm just going to go ahead and just marinate it with the dry spice blend that I had. I'll just mix it up and just go with it. So you want to make sure you're also very careful while you're mixing, so that it doesn't break your chicken breast apart. You want to do your salt and pepper to taste, and I'm just going to lightly marinate this to make sure that all the chicken breast is properly marinated, both inside out, so it's tasty. So guys, our chicken breast, I marinated it properly with the dry spices. I'm just going to set this aside while we proceed to make our stuffing. So to make our stuffing, guys, I have my skillet on heat. To that I just added a tiny bit of olive oil to that, just a little bit, and I added my garlic. I'm going to add the mushrooms, add some salt to that. I'll go in and add my bell peppers. So I'm gonna saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes before we can go ahead and add our spinach. So it's been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper. You want to season your stuffing to your desired taste. I already added some salt. I like to add a little bit of basil, just a tiny little bit, and some thyme, some dried thyme. Next I'll go in with the spinach and the baby kale. I'll continue to stir until the spinach and the kale has wilted, and then turn off the heat and proceed to the next step. So as you can see, our spinach has wilted. I'll turn off the heat and I'm just gonna let this cool aside, and then we can proceed to stuff our chicken breast. So guys, our stuffing has cooled down. We will proceed right now to just stuff our chicken breast. So I have a marinated chicken breast right here. A stuffing is right here. I have the cheese slices, and we are also going to be using some toothpick to just secure the opening so that it doesn't spill. So I'm just going to proceed and let's do this. You can see, make sure. I'll go in with the stuffing. You want to put just enough so you are able to secure properly. So I'll go in with the cheese, like so. So, and I'm just gonna use just like this, just secure it like this, and I'll set this aside. I'll repeat the process for the other ones, and then we'll move on to the next step. Oops. So guys, here's our chicken breast. It's all been stuffed, and I also preheated my oven to 375. I just had a little bit of the leftover marinade, so I just added a little bit of olive oil to that, and I'm just oiling the breast. I don't want it drying, so in order to prevent it from really drying out while it's in the oven baking, you can do this as well. So just as you see, just a little bit, and it's going to be baking for about 18 to 20 minutes. Also, maybe the last 3 to 5 minutes, you want to switch your oven from the bake to the broil option so that you can give your chicken breast that nice golden brown color. So I'm just gonna pop this right into the oven, and I will show you how it looks like once it's fully cooked. So guys, while our chicken breast is in the oven baking, I have some water here. It's just boiling. I'm going to be serving this with some quinoa. So I have my quinoa here. I'm going to go in and just pour it in there. Now I do cook my quinoa the same way that I cook my rice. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir it in this water for about 3 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and rinse my quinoa just like I do my rice before I'll proceed to cook it properly. So guys, I already went ahead and washed the quinoa. I have some water back in there. I just added some coconut oil to it. I'm going to add some salt, and then I'll bring our washed quinoa back into the pot so that it can cook properly. Looks like. Guys, our stuffed chicken breast is out of the oven. Take a look. Just take a look at how beautiful that looks. It looks so gorgeous, so juicy, nice and golden brown. Oh my god, I cannot wait to dig into this dinner. So guys, dinner is ready to be served. As you can see, a beautiful chicken breast. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to serve it with some spring mix salad right here. I just added some tomatoes to the spring mix, nothing too much, and I have a quinoa right there. So I'm just going to build my plate, and I'll show you how the chicken breast also looks like from the inside. So guys, I'm just going to show you how a stuffed chicken breast looks like from the inside. So Make sure that you also remove the, once it's out of the oven, that you gently remove the toothpick that we use to secure the outlet. So it looks beautiful, beautiful. I'm just going to show you. Just take a look how gorgeous that looks. See? Cannot wait to have dinner. So gorgeous. I'm just going to put some of my quinoa and some salad to the side. Oops. So guys, remember our chicken breast had some juice. Make sure you do not throw that away. You can put a little bit on your quinoa, just like so. And finally, I have some dressing for the salad. So I have a video on, I shared my favorite homemade salad dressings. If you haven't checked that video out, just make sure you check it out. This is one of those salad dressings I'm using today, and dinner is ready, guys. I cannot wait to just dig in. So guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. And when you do subscribe, please hit that notification bell and select the all option. All means that when I upload all video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water. Be well, be safe, and bye.